Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the CE Smith bearing kit for the 1 1/16 inch to 1 3/8 inch tapered spindles. Now this bearing kit will include everything shown here on the table. It'll include both the inner and outer bearings, the bearing races, the grease seal, and the cotter pin. And the grease seal is a double lip grease seal. Now this will let you replace the bearings, the races, and the seal on the one trailer hub that has a 1 1/16 inch to 1 3/8 inch tapered spindles. We're going to go through all these parts and try to show you where the part numbers are on them. We're going to start with the bearings. The larger one is the inner bearing, and that goes by a part number of L68149. And if we can turn this, you can see it's sort of stamped right on there. This has an inner diameter of 1.378 inches. The outer bearing, which is the smaller one, that's going to be stamped right up here of a L44649. That's going to have an inner diameter of 1.063. And the bearing races, which are what the bearings will sit in and rotate in. The inner race right here is L681111. That's stamped right there. And the smaller one for the outer bearing is the outer bearing race, and that's L44610. And basically you can see these will be installed, and then the bearing will sit right in there and rotate. The grease seal. The grease seal will be stamped 171255. It's on the rubber portion. It's very hard to see, but it is stamped on the rubber portion. That grease seal has an inner diameter of 1.78 inches and the outer diameter 2.56 inches. And then the last piece is the cotter pin that is used to lock the spindle nut in place after everything's been installed. But that should do it for the CE Smith bearing kit for the 1 1/16 inch to 1 3/8 inch tapered spindles.